Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to recover a hacked Instagram account without email and phone number. First of all, open your Chrome or web browser. You can use any browser you want. Now the next step is to open your browser in the incognito tab. Search Instagram support here, because in the incognito tab, your data cannot be tracked. Once your incognito tab is opened, search for Instagram support. Now you have to click the very first option, which is Instagram Help Center. Here are different options available. Now what you have to do is to tap on the search bar. Now in the search bar, type recover my account. Here are different options, but you have to choose the one which you are facing. Tap on the first option, that is lost access to the email address or phone number linked to the Instagram account. Here you can learn how to regain access to your email account. Now go back and tap on the I can't log in option. Here you have to tap on recover your Instagram password. It will tell you step-by-step process to follow to recover your Instagram password. Click on visit this page, which is written in blue color. Here your Instagram app will open for a better support experience. They will ask you if you want to open the app or cancel it. Just tap on cancel. Now here is your request for an Instagram support form. Choose a reason why you can't get into your account. Select I have forgotten my password. Then tap on next, and here you have to put all your data, and it's done. Now Instagram will send you an email soon to recover your account. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.